Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Imani Jari, gorgeous jaw, whatever. How you not know your own intro, sis? Scratch that, scratch that. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, gorgeous jaw, Imani Jari, whatever you want to call me, and I am back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing like a little camera unboxing. I actually got this camera a minute ago. I got it as a graduation gift, and I've been into like photography since I was young, but I haven't had a camera in so long. So my dad got me this camera. It's a Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 digital camera. Don't give me the line because I don't know what the heck that is, so give me a second. So it says that the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180, it says this is like a little basic camera for those wanting a simple way to capture moments with family, friends, and more. Slim, stylish, easy to use features, create photos that are stunning. Okay. It has an 8x optical lens you can use to get close. Honestly, I don't really know what all these other details are, but the resolution is 20MP. This came out in 2016 and it's a compact sensor. I'm pretty much thinking about using this camera for like vlogs and like little photo shoots or whatever, but just to get me like accustomed to using the camera again, I think this is a cute camera to get started. So it looks like I got like a little bundle here with the Canon PowerShot, so I'm gonna go through everything. I'm gonna take all this stuff out, and I opened this already, I'm not gonna lie, but I did not go through anything that was in here. And I also believe that he got this from Amazon, just for the simple fact that, like I said, like I wanted to get back into photography, and you know, I didn't really know, like I have to start all over. I don't think I had a camera since like 7th grade, like 12, 13. So I just want to like get back into the groove of things. So without further ado, we're going to hop right into the video. So the first item that I'm taking out this box is, it says Vivitar Accessories fits all 35mm digital and video cameras with tripod socket, sturdy, flexible legs, ultra compact and pocket clip, and it's a 4-inch pocket tripod. So this will really come in handy, especially if I'm doing like vlogs and stuff like that. Oh, this is so cute. I don't want to really, I'm gonna take it out. This is mad cute. I like this. Very compactable. It really is small. Like, this is mad small. It'll come in handy. And it feels like sturdy. It's kind of bendy, but it feels very sturdy. So I like that. Thank you. The second thing we have in here is this, this is called a HFL pen. I don't really know what the hell, I don't know what the heck a HFL pen is, but it's also by Vivitar as well. And I'm assuming this is to like clean the lens on the camera. Don't give me lying because I really don't know. But we're gonna find out, okay? And if I figure it out, I'm gonna have all of this stuff in the description box. Honestly, all of the stuff that comes in this bundle, because that's what it's looking like, bundle, all of this stuff will be listed in the description box because who knows. Then we have, this says SD/SDHC card reader for SD, micro SD, MS, and 2 cards for up to 64 gigabytes. This says, as a card reader, it supports your SIM card, basically for up to 64 gigabytes. Ultra high speed transmission, compatible with Windows 10, 7, 2000, Vista, and XP. Honestly, I hope this means that this is the SIM card for like when I take my pictures and I can save them and transfer them to my laptop, because right now I'm really not understanding what this is, but I'm gonna figure it out. This is actually hilarious because I'm just going through this box, just reading y'all what's in this box. Maybe y'all know what these things are. I don't know. So if you do know, let me know so we can help each other. Now we have, what is this? I don't know what this is. This looks like, first of all, this looks like a waste of material, but I'm thinking that this is the SIM card holder because the things are super small. Like, ain't nothing fitting in there other than a SIM card, to be honest. So I'm just gonna assume that that's what this is because it didn't have a link. Next we have, I know for sure this is the camera case. That's mad cute. This camera is giving me like really small on the go travel vibes, and I really like that because I feel like it would be easy to vlog. So here we go. We have the deluxe point and shoot camera case, period. Capture the spot, point and shoot cameras. Sleek design, sturdy construction, shoulder strap. Oh, where's the shoulder strap? Oh, the shoulder strap is inside. Oh my gosh, that's so cute because I thought it was going to be long and obnoxious, but that's actually kind of cute. Yeah, I think this camera is going to come in handy, y'all. I can already see like the excursions and all that. And this is mad super cute. Like what? This is mad cute. Oh my god. Camera case. Here we have a 5-piece digital camera and camcorder accessory kit. Clean and maintain your digital camera and camcorder. Lens tissues. You got some. Oh girl. I don't know. Okay, all of the stuff that's in here because like if you see this, I'm gonna just leave this stuff inside the box because this looks like a lot. But it says we have a dust blower brush, we have bottled lens solution, we have non-abrasive cleaning cloths, 25 pack lens tissue, and 5 cotton swabs. So literally this is everything you need in order to clean your camera. Make sure it's not dusty, make sure you don't have no extra particles of nothingness on it because we need clean screens, period. You see the skin? Clean screens. Clean screens. So yeah, so this is a 5-piece accessory kit. Comes in the bundle. And drum roll please. Last but not least, we have the actual camera. Okay. This is kind of, I don't know what I was expecting. This camera, before I even take it out the box, look how slim on the box that this is. Like, this camera looks a little slim, so I'm a little nervous because I'm rough. But okay. I might take some pictures on this. Probably not. But I may do another video on this because I actually want you guys to see the quality of the camera. This is crazy. First of all, hold on. There's mad stuff in here. Okay, I like this. Okay, I did not know that this was red. I didn't know this was red, so I'm kind of excited about that because my phone is red. I'm having like a red theme going on with all my electronic gadgets, so this kind of made me a little bit happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's show you guys the camera. Literally, this is how slim the camera is, and I really like that because if this is a vlog, if this is gonna be like a simple vlog-ish camera, ooh, that's so cute. It's super small, super compactable. I really like this red, okay? I like the red. I like it a lot. Super small, super compactable. Let me see, is it charged? Okay, so I don't think it comes charged straight off of the, okay, no. It doesn't come charged and it doesn't come with anything in it. That would make sense because I just took it out of the little wrappy thing. But I really like this. Let me put it back before I mess it up. Safe. Make sure it's safe. Alright. So that's the camera. And then also what comes inside this box with the camera, you have, I'm assuming that this is the battery. Yes, that's the battery. Then you also have this charger for the battery. Yes, this is the battery charger in here. Then you also have a little like string in order to hold the camera. And I really feel like these are all your like camera needs offer it. This is a very great camera if you're just starting out. Like I said, I have like previous experience with photography, but nothing like super extensive or serious or anything like that. But for a person who like knows nothing about cameras, I definitely say that this is worth the investment. I haven't used it yet, but I know that this is going to be a great camera. First of all, it's a Canon. Second of all, I really love the compactability of this camera. Like, that's super lit. I could put it... This baggie makes this camera look so much bigger than what it is. Like, I don't even think it's that big, to be honest. I think, honestly, the camera and the battery pack and everything else that comes with it probably will be able to fit in this small thing. And that says a lot, because if you know anything about cameras, you know that like carrying the equipment and all that other extra stuff, like when I had the T3i, the bag, it was so heavy and like but I really love this because I feel like I said, it'll be easier for me to use it on the go, especially with like vlogs and things like that. So with that being said, I will leave all of the information for this camera down below. Also, I might include like some pictures if I have taken them, but if not, I thank you for watching this video. I know it was super random, but I'm looking forward to using this camera. But that's all for this video. I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back in my next video.